in this case, it really worked out well. So then once we were able to start the ball rolling, then I ran into an issue which I did not even expect, and that is that I had to do a short sale for a property that I bought in 2007 at the height of the market. It was a brand new property, and ended up having an interest-only loan for 10 years. So in 2017, when it came due, it was an incredibly negative position for me, and the market was a mess. So I had to do a short sale, which was something I wasn't used to doing, and I kind of threw it out of my mind because after the first year, my credit was fine, you know, and we were back in business in a regular way, but for that 1 year, it was pretty bad. Then, because of the short sale being within a 4-year window, it became an issue with getting a loan. And so I think there Liz kind of talked me off the cliff a couple times because I was upset about it, everything changing, the dynamics of the loan were changing, the pricing was changing, and I didn't even, it was my fault. I didn't think to raise my hand and say, oh yeah, I had a short sale, you know, within the last 4 years, because it was like 3 years and 8 months or something. So what Liz did is she has such a great syndicate of people that are trustworthy and efficient, and I think she was able to assemble the team so that everybody was on point all the time. Like, here's how we're going to solve the problem, and I think that was key. She was kind of the quarterback of that situation, and it worked. It worked out well.